What's up, guys? It's that Toy Vehicle Guy 9000. Today we will be showing off this 2000 um 2010. Says it on both sides. That's what a lot of the small ones do. That's how a lot of the small ones are, actually. It's 2010 Toy State Wonderverse mini police helicopter I got as a birthday gift. And I'm gonna see if I could add a motor here, like a small one, so this could spin. And if I can, I might find a way for this one to work too. But I'd have to cut a hole in it for a switch. And I might swap out one of the LEDs for a white one. So let's just quickly go through it. That's about it for this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.